Welcome to Modi's English class, and today's topic, let us discuss the today's topic, very interesting one. What's the name of the topic? Same words used as nouns as well as verbs. Students always stumble. They have problems. What? They don't know how to use same word as a noun as well as verb in sentences. And maximum students always find it difficult to answer such type of questions. So let me clarify today. I have taken 6 common words. Within the 6 common words, I will tell you how to make same words used as nouns as well as verbs. And always the sentences are different. Where it has been used as noun, the meaning of noun coming. And where it has been used as verb, the meaning of verb coming. What is verb? Verb, all of you know, action word. Noun is a naming word. And here, let me tell you the first example. And I have written here, all of you look at it, the first word. The first word is act. Act. So here we have to use noun as well as verb. So let me coin a sentence first. So I am writing a sentence, noun. How to use the word act as a noun? One example. This play has 7 acts. Look at this. This play has 7 acts. What is act? All of you know Shakespearean plays. So that have been divided into acts and scenes. One act has so many scenes. So that is the division of act. So here it is noun. Here it is noun. Look at line. This play has 7 acts. Now coming verb. How to use it in verb? Means the meaning of the verb will come. The meaning of the verb will come. Example. He acted on this film. Look at the line. He acted here. So acted means what? This is verb. He acted means doing the role. He did a role. He had a role or he has a role. So he acted on this film. So look at the difference. This play has 7 acts. Here, lot of scenes combined together make one act. There are long plays there, Shakespearean plays there, which has 7 acts or 5 acts. So here the case is, this play had 7 acts. And here verb, look at the verb. He acted on this film. He acted on this film. Why? Because here it is working as a verb. Here it is working as a verb, means acted means what? Doing the role. Now next word, back. All of you look, noun is quite easy, back. I am now looking at you. And where is the whiteboard? The whiteboard is at my back. This is a plain sentence, back. Back means, you know, backside. But how to use the word back as a verb? That is the meaning. Look at the line, here it is, back. I can say, He is sitting to the back of the board. To the back of the board. Look line. He is sitting to the back of the board. So here back remains intact. There is no change. So back means, you know, backside. Back means, you know, backside. But back as a verb, that has a different meaning. Back means as a verb, what the meaning? Back means support. Back means support. Look, the meaning change. But back means, you know, the backside, that is noun. But when you say it is verb, how can you say? Example. He always backs me. He always backs me. What is the meaning? Backs means here supports. Backs means here supports. Now look, very interesting one. What is that word? Book. All of you know book. There are so many books there. That is noun. Then how to use book as a verb? That is important. So I have a book. First simple example. I have a book. That is noun. Book means reading material. That is book. And what is the verb of the book? Book means all of advance booking. Advance booking. Example. I have booked 3 tickets. I have booked 3 tickets for the show. 3 tickets for the show. Look line. Here it is. I have booked 3 tickets for the show. So here book used as a verb, book used as a noun. Now let me tell you the next category of words. And what are the words here? I have written here. All of you look at it. I. All of you look. I have how many eyes? 2 eyes. Okay. So when I use as I, that is the noun. Example. I have 2 eyes. I have 2 eyes. So that is noun. Eyes, noun. Then how eyes used as a verb? How eyes used as a verb? Example. He is eyeing on the job. He is eyeing on the job means fix. He is fixing his look or concentration on the job. Eyeing somebody. Don't eye on that food. Don't eye on that food. So that is the verb. Similarly, he is eyeing on the job. That is the verb. Next one, face. Look, this is the face. That is the noun. She has a beautiful face. She has a beautiful face. That is noun. Face, noun. Then verb. What is the meaning of verb? Example, you look. She is facing. Look at the line. She is facing a lot of problems. She is facing a lot of problems. She is facing a lot of problems. So this is the verb. Look line. So what is changing? Face has a noun. She has a beautiful face. Now it is she is facing a lot of problems. Now the last word is head. How to use head as a noun and head as a verb? Look at it. Head. I have a strong head. I have a strong head. That is noun. Then how head can be used as a verb? Example. He is heading the ball. He is heading the ball into the net. Into the net. Or another example. You take second example. He is headed. He is headed by the responsibilities. He is headed by the responsibility. Look at line. That means he is the leader. He is the leader and taking all the responsibilities. So, definitely these are the 6 words where I have told you how these 6 words can be used as nouns as well as verbs. What is the formula? The formula is that when you are applying that verb, the meaning is verb. The meaning is action word. The meaning is ing. The meaning is ed. So that is the meaning of verb coming. Okay. Simple example here I have given. He is heading the ball into the net. Or another example, he is headed by the responsibility. Similarly, she is facing lot of problems. So that's why you have to always keep an eye that the meaning of the verb is coming in the sentence. Meaning of the verb has been established. In case of noun, the meaning of the noun coming. So that's all about today's 6 words. Next class I am going to give you a lot of words. Thanks a lot by watching it. Thank you very much.